Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scroll in Adobe XD prototypes. First, open your Adobe XD project. To enable scrolling, your content must extend beyond the artboard's visible boundaries. For example, if you want vertical scrolling, your design elements should go below the artboard's height. Next, select the artboard in the Design tab. Then, navigate to the Prototype tab to begin configuring your scroll settings. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth user experience. To implement vertical scrolling, select the artboard you wish to make scrollable while in prototype mode. In the Properties Inspector on the right, locate the scrolling drop-down menu. Change the setting from None to Vertical. You will then see a blue handle appear at the bottom of your artboard. Drag this handle upwards to define the visible viewport height, typically matching your device's screen height, for example, 736 pixels for an iPhone 8. Enabling horizontal scrolling follows a similar process. First, ensure your content extends beyond the right edge of your artboard. Then, in the Prototype tab, select your artboard and change the scrolling option to horizontal. A blue handle will appear on the right side of the artboard. Drag this handle to the left to define the visible width of your scrollable area, perhaps 375 pixels for a standard mobile screen. This is perfect for carousels or wide data tables. Finally, let's talk about fixing elements. If you have a header, footer, or navigation bar that you want to remain visible while the rest of the content scrolls, select that specific object in the Design tab. Then, in the Properties Inspector, locate and check the box labeled Fix Position when scrolling. This ensures your chosen element stays in place, providing a consistent user interface. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining context and navigation throughout your prototype.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.